AI Mastery for Executives, the training program that future-proofs your career. Most executives understand that AI is changing business, but few truly know how to use it to their advantage. The biggest career risk today isn't AI itself, it's falling behind the leaders who do understand it. AI is not replacing leadership, it's redefining what great leadership looks like. The question is, will you lead that change? Or will you struggle to keep up? Right now, boards, investors, and senior executives are prioritizing AI-driven leaders. The executives who understand AI today will shape the business landscape of tomorrow. The ones who ignore AI now will find themselves left behind in strategic decision-making, job promotions, and boardroom influence. But here's the challenge. Most AI training is built for engineers, not executives. Most business leaders don't know where to start. There's no clear roadmap for how executives can integrate AI into their careers. That's exactly why we built the AI Career Mastery Program. This isn't another generic AI course. It's a high-impact, executive-level training program designed for leaders, decision-makers, and professionals who want to become AI fluent without needing technical expertise. Leaders who want to leverage AI to accelerate their careers and business impact. To position themselves as forward-thinking leaders in the AI era. And we do this through 3 powerful training pillars. The 3 pillars of AI Mastery, what you will learn. Pillar 1, AI Leadership and Career Acceleration. This module is all about executive positioning, career growth, and industry leadership. In this pillar, you'll learn how to position yourself as an AI-driven leader and integrate AI into your career roadmap. You'll learn how AI is reshaping leadership, and how to position yourself as an AI-driven leader. You'll also learn how to integrate AI fluency into your career roadmap to accelerate growth. You'll learn how to use AI-powered personal branding to stand out in the job market. You'll also learn how to confidently engage in AI leadership discussions at the board level. As an outcome of this pillar, you'll emerge as a recognized AI-capable executive who is ahead of the curve, not playing catch-up. In Pillar 2, AI Strategy and Governance for Business Impact. Taking you from AI awareness to AI strategy. You'll learn how to evaluate AI's impact on your industry and business model. You'll also learn how to assess AI governance, compliance, and risk management strategies. Use the AI Executive Strategy Playbook to lead AI initiatives. You'll also learn how to communicate AI strategies effectively to boards, stakeholders, and investors. As an outcome of this pillar, you'll have the strategic tools and frameworks to make confident AI-driven decisions that impact business growth. The third pillar, AI Implementation and Execution for Leadership Success. Here's where we bridge the gap between AI knowledge and AI execution. In this pillar, you'll learn how to lead AI adoption within your team or organization. You'll learn how to use the AI implementation framework to drive AI projects. You'll also learn how to measure AI's impact on productivity, efficiency, and revenue. You'll also learn how to develop tailored AI playbooks for your business. You'll turn AI strategy into measurable business outcomes, confidently leading AI-driven transformation. Here's what makes the AI Career Mastery Program different from other AI training. It's designed specifically for executives, not engineers. It's built to deliver career impact, not just theory. It focuses on AI fluency, not technical coding. This program is for C-suite executives and senior leaders, business owners and entrepreneurs, board members and investors, and mid-career professionals and emerging leaders. If any of these sound like you, this program was built for you. The future of leadership isn't about replacing experience with AI. It's about combining experience with AI. Leaders who embrace AI now will be the ones shaping the future. The ones who wait, they'll be left behind. If you're ready to future-proof your career, explore the AI Career Mastery program today.